Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a basic phonics lesson, and today we're going to be learning about closed and open syllables. But first, let's review the sounds that we learned in the last lesson. So go ahead and try reading these sounds, and then when you're ready, you can restart the video to listen and check.
Ing, a, e, o, j, oo, I, s, uz.
All right, now listen and write down the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I will play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
U, j, a, o, s, I, e, ing, uz. U, j, a, o, s, I, e, ing, uz.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
A, s, z. Passes. O, k, I, ng. Looking. Y, e, o, d. Yelled. S, a, n, d, d. Sanded. B, a, k, s, z. Boxes. A, s, k, t. Asked.
All right, now we're going to start talking about syllables. So listen and repeat these words, and you can see that the vowels are highlighted in red in each of these words.
Fish. Pen. River. Apple. Energy. Family.
All right, so now you'll read and count the syllables, and then when you're ready, listen and check.
Jump. Television. Piano. Baseball. Calendar. Duck.
Okay, and then we'll talk about how many syllables in each of these. So jump is one syllable, and you notice it has one vowel. And then television. So television is four syllables. And you'll notice it has one, two, three, four, actually five syllables. Piano has three, and it has three vowels. Baseball is two. Calendar, three syllables. and duck is one syllable. All right, now we'll talk about closed and open syllables. So here we have a vowel that has a consonant after it, and that would be what we would refer to as a closed syllable. And here we have a vowel that doesn't have a consonant after it, so that would be an open syllable.
bed, not, went, be, no, we.
Okay, and here we're going to look at the letter E when it's both in a closed and open syllable. So pay attention to the difference in the sounds. Listen and repeat.
Eh, eh, eh. Met. E, e, e. Me.
Right, so what you notice is when we have a closed syllable, the E makes what we would refer to as the short E sound, like the E in egg. And when the E is in an open syllable, it makes the long E sound like the E in eagle. Okay, let's try the same thing with the letter I. Listen and repeat.
I, I, I. Him. I, I, I. Hi.
So again, because of the M, this would be considered a closed syllable. So it makes the short I sound similar to the sound in the word in. And here it's open. There's nothing following the vowel, and so it makes the long I sound like in ice. Okay, we'll try the same thing with O.
Ah, ah, ah. Got. O, O, O. Go.
Okay, again, so the closed syllable, the O makes the short O sound as in octopus, and in an open syllable, it makes the long O sound like in open. And now the U sound.
Uh, uh, uh. Sun. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sue.
All right, and again, we can see here in the when there is an open syllable or a closed syllable, it makes the short U like in the word up, and in an open syllable, the long U as in the word spoon. All right, so now read these words and practice and check applying the new rules that you've learned about open and closed syllables.
E. He. I. N. In. D. I. Die. B. A. T. Bat. N. Fun. W. E. T. Wet.
All right, now practice sounding out and reading these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
S, U, Sue. S, N, sun. I, S, ice. N, O, no. G, O, go. J, U, N, June. K, A, M, P, I, N, camping. G, D, good. F, I, sh, I, N, fishing. E, S, T, I, N, resting. B, E, B, T, I, M, time.
All right, this time listen and write down the words you hear, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
Sun, go. Be, no. Fishing. Ice. Sun. Go. Be. No. Fishing. Ice.
All right, and here are some sight words to review. So read the words below, then restart the video, listen, and check.
Do. Said. Friend. Friends. Two.
All right, now you'll practice reading the sentences and then restart the video to listen and check.
Sue sits in the sun and sips cups of ice. No, do not go camping in June, he said. I have a good friend named Joe. We love to go to the lake in the fall. I like fishing. She likes resting. I hope we will be friends for a long time.
All right, now read the entire story on your own, then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
I have a good friend named Joe. We love to go to the lake in the fall. I like fishing. She likes resting. I hope we will be friends for a long time.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.